Real quick video here today. It's a bit rainy, but I had this problem where every time I'd be driving, I'd hit a bump or something and my mirror starts to droop. See how easy it is to move this? So, common issue, I guess. Real easy to fix. Get a Phillips head screwdriver. You'll find a little rusty bolt, rusty screw, whatever. It's a set screw. Basically, this sits on like a ball joint, I guess, and what this does is when you tighten this, you don't have to go crazy with it, just kind of tighten it down. And look, it takes some effort to move this now. So do the same on both and you will be all set. There we go, perfect. No more mirrors moving around without you. I mean, heck, even with you. So that's it for today. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.